light cutting through the haze. Spot a Wrangler in the distance, built the same in different ways. Hand goes up, that Jeep Wave hits, a brotherhood on wheels. 2 seconds on the blacktop, but you know the bond is real. Rubber ducks on the dashboard, lined up like a row of pride. Little tokens of the tribe, everywhere we ride. Swap one out at the truck stop, leave a smile for the day. It's a simple kind of language, only Jeep folks say. From the mud to the mountains, we ride with pride. Every trail in these provinces, we take it in stride. Hit the trails in Manitoba, March and Sandilands calling out. Mud flying like a battle cry, engines roar and shout. Cross to Ontario, Kenora rock climbs rise. Superior winds behind us, granite reaching for the sky. When a Wrangler's in trouble, we never leave them stuck. Toe straps out, boots in the dirt, that's the power of the duck. It's more than just a ride, it's a family on 4 wheels. And every trail we conquer reminds us how it feels. From the mud to the mountains, we ride with pride. Every trail in these provinces, we take it in stride. Ducks and waves, that's how we say hello. From Manitoba Flats to Ontario's rocky roads, we're the G Club, baby. No trail too tough to face. Yeah, we stick together out there, rolling strong with ducks and waves. Superior Jeeps built for the climb, mud up to the mirror, still making good time. From the white shell pines to Red Lake stone, every Wrangler out here feels like home.